Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, we're going to watch a dyno pull on a 21 Mach 1 Roush Supercharger, laying down just shy of 700 rural horsepower. It's an automatic car, 93 octane. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notified, stay up to date, have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, before we go down and take a look, I'm going to let you know, I'm going to put a link in the description of the parts we're getting ready to talk about. That way you have more questions, open it up, click on it. Read more about it. You can email quote at brenspeed.com. What's it cost to get installed? We're in Indiana. Doug, come down here and take a look. You have the TVS 2650 Phase 2 Roush. Did upgrade, get the coil covers on here. The Roush kit is a complete kit. So this is a Roush kit with the Roush cold air induction system. The injectors, everything that comes in it. This car also had a set of stainless power long tube headers on it. We did billet oil pump gears, rear cylinder head cooling kit. Besides that, automatic 93 octane. Check out this dyno pull. All right, before I look at these numbers, a couple things. So we do keep these superchargers in stock. We're in Indiana. Like I said, we can ship them right to your door and get installed. Let's say you're a Whipple lover. You have like maybe 18 and up Mustang GT, you love Whipples. We have those in stock as well. DynoJet SAE Smoothing 5 Auto, 695 rural horsepower, picking at 7,400. Torque, love it, 561. Picking at 5,600. Nice solid torque curve. Nice solid horsepower curve across the board on the old Mach 1 right here. Super clean car. Hey, if you have a 24 Mustang, guess what? Stage 1 and 2 Whipples in stock for those. We have the Roush Phase 2 in stock for those as well. But here it is, Mach 1. Check out their videos if you like Roush or Whipple, whatever. I have tons of them. I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Like I said, I'm in Indiana. Have any questions, please leave a comment. Happy to answer. Thanks for watching.